In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI to Jira. Connecting Claude to Jira lets you automate repetitive project management tasks so you can focus on the work that matters. Sync auto-generating tickets from meeting notes. Updating sprint statuses without clicking through boards. Or pulling epic updates and bug lists just by asking in natural language. We will set this up using the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. MCP is a secure way for Claude to talk to tools like Jira with clear permissions and guardrails. Anthropic provides native Atlassian MCP connectors right inside the Claude web interface. So you don't need to write code or juggle extra plugins. Start by signing into your Claude AI account. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon, then choose Settings. In Settings, open the Connectors tab. This is where Claude can link to trusted tools. Click Browse Connectors to see what's available. In the search bar, type Jira. When you see the Atlassian Rovo connector, select it, click the plus icon to add it. You will be redirected to a secure permissions page so Claude can access your Atlassian workspace safely. Review the details, then accept the prompt to grant access. This allows Claude to read and act on Jira data within the limits you approve without sharing any sensitive credentials directly. Back in the connector configuration, make sure the Needs Approval toggle is on. This is an important safeguard. With Needs Approval enabled, Claude will always prompt you before it executes specific actions or modifies tickets. It's a simple way to keep control over changes while still getting the benefits of automation. Now you are ready to try it out. Start a new chat in Claude and use a natural language request. Claude will use the Jira connector to fetch that information and return it in the conversation. You can then follow up with clarifying questions, like narrowing by assignee or sprint. And Claude will keep using the connector under your approved permissions. If your team relies on structured workflows, this setup streamlines daily stand-ups, backlog grooming, and reporting. The MCP connector handles the heavy lifting in the background, while you stay in charge through the Needs Approval setting. And because everything runs inside Claude's web interface, you can manage access and prompts in one place. That's it. Thanks for watching.